guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Saturday again. Today is the office holiday party, so I'm gonna take you guys through my day. And first of all, I need to run some errands, so I'll take you guys with me. So let's go. I finally got my nails done. This is how they look. I love this color. I love this color. It's so hard to find a perfect nude pink for a brown skin, and it took me a while, but I finally found it and I am in love. Now I'm done with my nails. I need to go to Target and I want to get a fleece lined tights because it's too cold and I'm gonna be wearing a skirt and I don't want to freeze to death. So let's go get me some fleece lined tights. So I just secured the tights that I was looking for. There was only one left. I need a cowboy hat, and these hats are expensive. Like, I don't want to buy a new one and then never wear it again. So I'm gonna borrow from my friend and work with it. I hope it fits. I hope it looks good. And right now I'm gonna drive to my friend's place to get that hat. So I have secured the hat. It fits. I mean, I have a pony, so it does fit. So I'm excited and I'm done with all the errands. Now I'm going home. I'm hungry. Then I'm gonna rest and then start with the dressing up or whatever. I just plopped my hair. It's done. It took me, well, 15 minutes. Now I can start with my makeup. This is the Charlotte Tilbury moisturizer that I always use. I'm gonna use the Sephora's primer because it hides my big pores. Also, let me know guys if you want to see how I do my hair. I can make a separate video. So I'm gonna use Huda Beauty color corrector, but it's in orange and I don't think it's the right shade. With that, I'm gonna mix a darker shade for my concealer to make it look peachy, which would cover my dark circles. Then I'm gonna go with Hourglass hydrating skin tint. I'm gonna use a brush to dab it. Don't forget your neck, guys. Look at me talking like a fashion influencer. Now I'm gonna put my concealer, a light shade, the Lancome one. I put some here, some here. That's it. And then we're gonna leave it alone, like literally. Now I'm gonna look like this for next few minutes. To blend everything into my hairline. Now we can blend out our concealer. Now it's my favorite part, the blush. It's the Rare Beauty in the shade Encourage. I'm gonna do a dot here and here on my cheekbones. Now I'm gonna do a little bit on my nose. So now I'm done with all my liquid things except for my eyebrows. We can do that later, but we can go in now with the powder products to set everything in. I'm telling you, it's perfect. For bronzer, I'm using this Wet n Wild. I just use it anyways. I'm gonna use my MAC Pro Color X4 Compact. It has the 4 neutral shades. I'm gonna use the lightest color. Now take the brown shade and put it on the corner of my eye. Yeah, it's not gonna show up on camera, but I did the lightest eye makeup because I'm not a pro and I don't know how to do it. So I have this lip liner because I can't find my brown eyeliner. So I'm gonna try to make a liner, like a soft eyeliner with this. And I hope it doesn't look bad. Can you see? It's very soft, but I like it. I use it every day. My MAC blush in the shade Burnt Pepper, which is like a pink type of shade. Ooh, love it. It just makes my lashes. Lip liner. Everything is done, so I'm gonna set my makeup with L'Oreal Paris 3-second setting mist. It's so good. It smells bad. I guess I'm ready, and it's 6:57. It's 7, so I'm gonna quickly change and then I'm gonna show you how I look and what am I wearing. So this is the top. I'm gonna show you my outfit in a bit. You know what the best part is? I have these blue stones, just like simple blue stones on my jewelry, and the hat I got from my friend had blue stones. This is the first time I'm acting like this on YouTube, which is very weird, but I want to be genuine and I'm learning to talk to camera. So you know, I don't have, like, I had a full-length mirror in my previous apartment, but I discarded it, and I was thinking of buying a new one here, but then of course I didn't, and every time I dress up I just like do a simple jugaad in this washroom because the mirror is too close. What I do is I open my bathtub and I stand here hoping that I don't fall and just look at my outfit for the day or night. You know, I told you I'm scared now. Don't laugh, okay? Well, let's see. I like it. I like my outfit. I like my outfit, so let me show you my outfit. So this is what my outfit looks like. My hat is borrowed. I showed you. My top is from Shein because I'm cheap like that. I didn't want to spend so much on this dress. And my skirt is from Cavender's Boot City. Tights are from Target, and then my boots I got from the Rack Room, I guess, on Black Friday. So this is the outfit of the day. Tell me you like it or not. Just comments down below if I'm following the right party theme or not. Just let me know. Now I need to run. It's almost 7:30 and I'm gonna see you at the party. I'm not gonna shoot everything. I'm just gonna shoot clips here and there. So see you around.
Turn it up. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One out this time.
So I'm back in my car. Yesterday was so much fun. I enjoyed this party a lot, at least more than last year. And of course, there has to be something I would do that would go wrong. And yesterday, after I showed you my outfit, in a hurry, I grabbed my jacket and I grabbed my keys and I left, and when I got there I realized I forgot my hat at home. So all that 30 minutes driving to get that hat, I was so sad because I wanted the hat and everybody was wearing the hat, and but yeah, that's fine. Apart from that, I had so much fun last night. Now today's Sunday and I need to get my normal stuff done, which is getting groceries and stuff. So but first I need to get gas for my car. So I'm back with my grocery run. I know it's night and groceries are done now. So let me show you what I got. So from Costco, the first thing I got is the milk. The next thing I got is sunflower oil. And then I got gopi paneer. I also got a full pack of chunky guacamole. I also got tofu. Then I also got this chickpea pasta. From Patel, I got this dry fruit mix. Got a yellow moong dal. I got the sesame chicky, peanut chicky. I love this one. And then the vegetables, I just got mint and the cabbage. Basin. I got drawer cart as well. I also got poha. The last thing I got is normal atta. That's all I got. Yeah, it's a lot, but it's usually more, but we already had a lot of things, so it's less this time, which I'm grateful for. Now I'm back and it's 6:30 and I need to make dinner. I mean, I have few things. I'm gonna prepare roti and then one vegetable so that I'm gonna cook extra so that I can take it for my lunch tomorrow. Yeah, let's get started. So I'm done with everything and I finished cooking. Now I'm gonna have my dinner, clean everything, and after some time I'm just gonna go to sleep because tomorrow is work day, so I need to get up early. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment down below and let me know, because that gives me a little bit of motivation to post more videos. Yeah, I would love to know your thoughts. So I'm gonna see you in my next video, and please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Until then, bye bye.